Solidarity forever.
Urumwe wa aruti wira muingi bururi-ini UKCS ugete ministry ya utungata kuri muingi hamwe na commission ya gutabarira mishara ya aruti wira a muingi bururi-ini SLC nishimakungitie wara na gucabithia maratathi ma njiguano ya nyongerera ya mishara kuri aruti wira mateko makuruhania.
Ndiposa tunasema wawache kucheza na akili ya wafanyikazi wa umma na wawache kuchezea wa Kenya na wawache kuchezea rais. Rais aliagiza mshahara ya mfanyikazi wa umma iongezwe, alafu wanatuletea hii, tumekataa.
Ngwataniro ya ikundi cia aruti wira makiuga ni mandikire SLC hamwe na ministry ya utungata wa muingi marua no makoretwo makimang'atheria.
And if they fail to respond, for the first time I'm telling you, civil servants will go on strike. If that is what they want, they'll achieve it.
Ona rukongo rwa aruti wira muingi rutathirite,
we shall never be divided.
Aruna ao kuma ciama-ini cia rigitani bururi-ini makianirira kwambia mugomo utuko wa umuthi.
Na mugomo uyu ni ugukorwo kiendelea o nginya riria maundu maria tukoretwo tukiuga mekike magakorwo magekika. Wa mbere yori kuheana permanent and pensionable terms kuri arigitani othe agikiro kia universal health coverage, gukorwo magitigira CBA iria twandikanire ni rakorwo igituika implemented uria kwagirire, na gutigira recognition agreement cia union iria ciothe itari na recognition agreement ni iratuika signed.
Our strike is starting, and it is not starting because we want to go on strike or we enjoy being on strike. It is because we have been pressed.
Ciama ici cia arigitani citetete kiria cirauga ni thirikari cia kaunti kwaga gukorwo irihite na kweruhiria kandarathi kuri arigitani aria mandikitwo rungu rwa mubango wa ugima wa mwiri kuri andu othe UHC.
Na hii strike haitakuwa siku mbili kama hawajatekeleza. Wakitaka iende mwaka mmoja tutaenda na wao.
If the government has money, what is it that is so hard to be able to issue permanent pension letters to the UHC colleagues? And they have been here, they have been actually walking around. And therefore we will be pitching camp, we will even be doing night vigil at Afya House. Comrades Power, we will be coming to Afya House to do night vigil. Kuanzia leo tunakunywa chai Afya House.
Reu maruru mothe merekeirio kuri thirikari cia kaunti kuona thirikari nene hamwe na bunge ya bururi-ini irekereirie kigina gia gutangikira arigitani aya.
Undu uria turauga ni ati thina witu ti mbeca ciekuo. Thina witu ni ati governors aria mwaheire makorwo makirora ugima wa mwiri maramurire kuhura siasa na ugima wa mwiri wanyu na kumutiganiria.
We need to resolve some of the institutions that continue eating people's money. Taxation, year after year, they are not doing anything. Now result, but they continue moving from offices communicating politics here. Surgery. Leo hii mgonjwa ambaye amesubiri surgery ya 2 months, even if it is a week, unaambiwa haitafanyika because tuko mgomo. Na kuna mtu anakula anazunguka kama kwa mahoteli na akizunguka akiruka inchi na nje ya inchi.
Nao Akenya aria mari na arwaru thibitari-ini cia muingi makiurio kumethera motungata kungi kuona thibitari cia muingi hatiri undu ugukorwo ugithie na mbere. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo William Wainaina.